Hello, um, I'm Sindhul Kumar, working as a senior or a engineer. Today we are going to have a brief discussion about augmented reality, in short form, which it's called as AR. Hmm. What are this topic which we are going to see in this session? No much more discussion regarding about flare. Okay, let's we dive into the topic regarding about the what is the virtual reality and how we are going to see that virtual reality into in our computer programming languages, and second one is how we are going to understand about the topics regarding about the augmented reality, and third thing is we are going to create a pattern, and later we are going to discuss about that what is the pattern, and final thing is we are going to develop how we are create a augmented reality in Flash. Um, Before we going into that flare, we have much more discussion regarding about the topic augmented reality. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is a field of computer research which deal with the combination of real world and the computer generated data, where the computer graphics objects are blended into a real footage in a real time, which means say for example that if you are viewing by your normal view, we can't able to figure it out what's behind that. Please have a look over about that image at the bottom of that slideshow which I am showing. If we have see by using our normal vision means, then we can able to suggest that what about that street, where is that located, and what's the direction of the street. We can able to figure it out by using the normal vision. There is much more equipments which is available in the market. We can wear the equipments and we can able to view what are the things, we can able to detect that street, and also the path and where we are located right now. So due to this invention, it's much more impacting the modern technologies and also modern world. So we are going step ahead the techniques what are the availables in the market. So augmented reality is making a history regarding about that viewing options. Second thing is the augmented reality is what it perfectly deals in a short form. We can discuss like it's combined a real and virtual world. I think the above example we can see that street, it's a real world, and virtual world will be that street distance and where we are located. So these are the things of the virtual world. It's an interactive in a real time. It's registered in the 3D formats, and 3D formats we will discuss that thing in the latest. So what are the features which are available in the augmented reality? Single camera position and orientation tracking, and tracking the code that's use the simple black squares. We can discuss about that black squares and also the tracking options later in that code, and the ability to use the square mark patterns fast enough for the real-time application. So these are the features which are available in the augmented reality, and by showing this example, instead of that by demonstrating so many examples, I can See, I can explain that we people seen so many movies like most of them have seen Terminator for more than 3 times or 4 times like that. See, in that movie, what happened? Arnold will wear some other specs by monitoring all the peoples who are the outside is available and how many people are there. So like that, the augmented reality it's going to be impact in the market. And second thing is, what is flare? Simple thing. Flash, FL is represent flash and AR is represent augmented reality. So both the combination it will represent as in flare. So AR is an AR toolkit is developed in the development package that allow the developers to tap the power of augmented reality. And AR toolkit, AS3 ported version of AR toolkit will be called as a flare. Actually, the flare toolkit is based on NYAR toolkit, that is a Java ported version of AR toolkit. Flare toolkit recognizes a marker pattern from the input image and also calculate the oriented position of the 3D worlds, that is the DAE objects and also the 3D Max objects and also Maya, the objects which are created in the 3D patterns, which can be able to read by using the flare toolkit technologies. Why augmented reality is making much more fascinating to me? Right now the augmented reality it's making much more importance in the modern industries. Say, I think people can view the image right now. The participant can view the image. Say, if user want to buy a watch, what will do? They need to move to the shop, or else they need to move some other eBay option which is available in that market right now. They can select the watches and they can rotate it and they can see it whatever it is. But if user want to wear the that watches according to that hand which is applicable, the color and also the weight and also the model which is available in the market, it's pretty tough one. There are only one option. They need to move to the shop and they need to do some demo model and finally they can buy it. But if people want to buy this thing in the eBay, that one option is available right now in the market, that is augmented reality. That by placing some more marker on his hand and by using that application, whether by using Flare or any other AR toolkit, by using the Java, they can generate the watches by using the marker. So user is much more happy to buy that thing in the eBay without moving to the shop and without in the direct by seeing the watches, all the things in the market. So it is much more fascinating to me. And also it is not only used in that e-shopping, transform your books. In our childhood age, we are seeing all the things in the format of printed images. Instead of moving the printed images, we can create demo books by using the marker, like above the marker it will be written as an cat or cow or apple or any other object or images. People can able to see by using that virtual reality, that is by using the augmented reality, by seeing the normal vision, using that any other product which is available in the market. So it's much more easy for them, for the child easily can grab that what it is look like and how it is look like. They can rotate all the things, they can view all the things in that by using that augmented reality. And second one is by using the car market, change the way how the browsers works. Instead of if in the car market, I have seen one more example in that some other site that the browser consists of just the marker. They need to see that marker in the webcam by using that proper application which is available in the site. Just by show that marker in front of that webcam, they can able to view the dream car, how it is look like. They can move, they can view from the top end, and they can view from the side view, and how it is look like by rotating all the thing. So what happened? So it makes to boost their business. So right now they have started to using in much more field, but not yet known to all the peoples in the market. This is regarding about that thing. And right now we are diving into the topic regarding about the creating the flare application, that is by using the flex and also the augmented reality. What are the requirements we need to create the flare application in our flex? First thing is we need to create that by using the ASP.NET 3.0, and definitely it should contain Flash Player 10 and above. And Flare Toolkit, Flare Toolkit I will explain in later. And 3D engine, the 3D engine like Paper 3D version or Away 3D or Sandy or any other thing which is available in the market. And models, whether you can use the model by using the model which you are creating in the 3D Max or Maya or any other 3D models, 3D model products. And also the images, we can able to images, texts which we can used in the Flare Toolkit. And one more thing, by using the text, I forgot to say that one, that in the product I have seen one more site that one person is plan to buy some shirt. So instead of in the eBay, just by using that, he need to stand in front of the camera, and there will be so many shirts will be there. By click that search, it will automatically apply for the shirt, so he can be able to pick up the search which is much more attractive for him, and much more easy to pick up the products which is available in the eBay. So I forgot to say that one. Second thing is the components of Flare application. There are 4 parts of Flare application. This is much more important. One is camera parameters, second one is create a pattern or generate a pattern, third one is Flare code, and fourth one is Paper 3D version. What is camera parameters? It's available in that source. So it's used to configure our camera to figure it out that marker which we are going to create our parameters. And basically the camera parameters, it's in the form of binary data. For the binary file, it's used to correct the lens distortion from our webcam. So this camera parameter is much more important for the application, because through which only we can able to detect our application and also detect our parameter, what we are going to apply for that, apply for that images or any other 3D models. Second thing is create a pattern. See, there is say for example that if user want to create some pattern, means he need to follow some procedures. That is, there is one Air Toolkit Maker is available. The viewer can go and download from the URL like http:/tinyurl.com/px6 dvd5, and if you run that marker generator, the Air application, and hold the printed pattern, that the which you are going to draw on that pattern. You need to place run that application. If you run that application, definitely you need to have that camera webcam. You need to show in front of the webcam there will be a dotted line, black red color line will be formed out of that pattern. So you need to save that pattern, and the pattern should be saved in the form of .pat file. So this is very much important, because upon that pattern only the models or the objects which it is going to be displayed in that pattern. So resources, user can be able to download the AR toolkit and also the paper 3D version from that from this point. Thank you.